Namaste yogis and welcome to my channel. This gentle sunset yoga is perfect to decompress from the day and prepare you for a restful sleep. We will start in a cross-legged position, spin the inner thighs down. Sit up tall, lengthen the spine, and relax your shoulders away from the ears. Then join your hands together in front of your heart in prayer position. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a deep breath out. Feel free to set your intention for your practice. Namaste. We'll begin with a gentle neck stretch. Bring your arms out to the sides, placing your right fingertips on the floor. As you inhale, reach your left arm up, and as you exhale, bring your left ear to your left shoulder, nice and slow, and keep your left hand on your head. Try not to pull your head down, just rest it there gently. And breathe into your neck stretch. Release any tension with each exhale. One more breath. And slowly as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release your left hand down. Place the left fingertips on the floor. Inhale, reach your right arm up. And as you exhale, bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Hold on to your head with your right hand. Gently rest your right hand on your head. And breathe into your neck stretch. Keep your jaw and everything else you don't need right now relaxed. And then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release your right hand down. Inhale, reach your arms up. Interlace your hands. Turn your palms facing up. Stretch yourself out. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, open into cactus arms. There's a 90-degree angle under the armpits and a 90-degree angle by the elbows. Inhale, open your chest, and as you exhale, bring your palms and elbows to touch. Inhale, open your cactus arms, slightly arching the back, and as you exhale, close your cactus arms, slightly rounding the spine. Inhale to open. Exhale to close. One more. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. Keep your spine nice and rounded. Interlace your hands. And then bring your palms forward. Start rounding the spine even more. Breathe. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Sigh it out. And feel free to move from side to side and do whatever feels good. Open up your rib cage, open up the side body. Look from under your armpits and take a few more breath cycles, stretching yourself out. And slowly come back, sitting up tall. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. And let's come into a child's pose. Bring your big toes together. Widen the knees as much as you want. Sit back on your heels. Drape your upper body forward. Walk your hands towards the front of the mat. And gently place your forehead down to the ground. Take a few nice deep, cleansing breaths. In child's pose, allowing your body to completely melt into the earth, releasing any tension. Stay in child's pose. We'll add thread the needle. Slightly lift the left arm up and cross it under your chest over to the right side, resting on your left arm, shoulder, and left cheek. Take one more deep breath. And slowly switching sides. Lengthen out your left arm. Place your left palm down. Slightly lift up the right arm. Cross it under your chest over towards the left side. Rest on your right cheek, right shoulder, and right arm. Keep your focus on your breath and release any tension. Take one final breath in this pose. And slowly come out. Stay in child's pose. We'll add a shoulder stretch variation. Keep your forehead to the ground. And then bring your hands towards your lower back. Interlace your hands. Bring your shoulder blades towards each other. And gently as you exhale, raise your hands up towards the sky. Take it nice and slow. Feel free to move your hands back and forth or side to side to massage the shoulders. Very nice. Bring your hands down and then release your hands. Place your palms on the floor and walk yourself back up, sit up tall. Swing your legs forward and come towards the front of your mat. Sit up tall with your knees up, hold on to your knees and roll yourself down so you're lying down on your back. Keep your chin on your chest, head comes down last. And inhale, bring your arms up. Let's take cactus arm position again as you exhale, placing your arms on the floor. 90-degree angle under the armpits and a 90-degree angle by the elbows. Walk your heels towards your buttocks. Inhale, get ready, and as you exhale, gently let your knees fall to the right side. Connect with your breath and allow yourself to sink a little deeper into the pose on each exhale. And take one more deep breath, in through the nose and out through the nose. Then slowly as you inhale, bring your knees back to center. Exhale, let your knees fall to the left side. And continue taking deep breaths. And make it your last breathing cycle in this pose. Slowly bring your knees back to center as you inhale and exhale. Hug your knees into your chest. And then from here, we'll take legs up the wall. If you're close to a wall, go ahead and reposition yourself, placing your butt back of the legs and your heels against the wall so your legs are extended up. If you don't have a wall, that's fine too. You can just copy me. We'll open our arms in a capital T position on the floor so the arms are in line with the shoulders with the palms facing up. Take a few nice deep breaths. Legs up the wall is such a lovely way to incorporate a mouth inversion in your yoga practice without having to stand on your head. You still receive the same benefits without all that effort. It's very calming for the nervous system. It quiets the mind. It relaxes the pelvic floor, and it's great if you have tired legs and feet. Slowly begin to bend the knees. Bring your legs down, hug your knees into your chest. And if you were by the wall, take a moment to reposition yourself. Then we'll all meet with our right knee on the chest. The left knee is up with the left foot on the floor. Massage your right hip. Move your right knee from side to side, back and forth. And then release the right foot down to the ground with your right knee up, switching sides. Keep pressing your lower back into the floor and hug your left knee into your chest. You can use micro movements, gentle motions, moving your left knee from side to side. Wonderful, and release your left leg, placing both legs on the floor. Let your feet fall open. We'll take our final resting pose, corpse pose. Arms are along the body with your palms facing up. Head is in the center and feel free to close your eyes. Take 5 deep, cleansing breaths in and out through the nose, sending your breath into every corner of your body and allowing every body part to completely relax and release tension. Keep your focus on your body and maintain complete stillness in corpse pose. That way you'll fully benefit. And try to find stillness in your mind. It's totally normal if thoughts are coming and going. Just try not to go into the whole story of every thought. Just release the thoughts. They're like clouds in the sky. They'll come and they'll go. Take a moment to observe your body from your feet all the way to the top of your head and notice where your body is connecting with the floor. Feel how the earth supports your body, and notice the air touching your skin. You can stay in corpse pose for as long as you'd like, and you're welcome to fall asleep into it. I'll be here with you for another 5 minutes, and I'll close this practice with ocean sounds. For now, take a moment to feel gratitude for committing to your yoga practice and taking this time for yourself. Thank you so much for practicing with me.